Hello, Redditors! Today we're diving into a quick and essential guide on how to verify your Reddit age. Whether you're a seasoned member or new to the community, this 1-minute guide will show you how to find out how long you've been part of Reddit. Let's get started. To begin, open the Reddit app or head to the website and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the latest version for the most up-to-date features. In the upper right corner, find your profile icon and click on it. Once your profile page opens, look for the section under your avatar where you'll see an option that shows Reddit age or something similar. This displays the number of years or months you've been a part of the Reddit community. And that's it! You've successfully verified your Reddit age. Whether you're a longtime Redditor or a newcomer, knowing your account's age adds a nostalgic touch to your online journey. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Reddit tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.